For almost 15 years at Autotask, my job was helping MSPs run better businesses with solid data and practical insight. And today, I want to show you something that makes year-end planning faster, clearer, and honestly, a lot more enjoyable. This is the free MSP Insight End-of-Year Planning Workbook. It gives you clean dashboards, a complete AI analysis, and best of all, a ready-to-deliver PowerPoint presentation populated directly from your own data. Let me show you how easily this all comes together. This workbook keeps everything simple. There's no VBA, no hidden code. You enter your server name, database name, and time zone. Hit refresh and the workbook loads your year automatically. From there, everything is organized into a structure that actually makes sense. These ticket and alert tabs give you more than 100 visual insights across tickets and alerts, all arranged from high-level trends down to detailed diagnostics. You don't need to study every chart. You just need to know what each tab represents. The Ticket Executive Summary provides a clean snapshot of your year, perfect for leadership. The Ticket Operations and SLA gives you a view of your team's throughput, seasonality, and service consistency. The Ticket Breakdown tab is where work actually came from, a clear picture of the work mix, what created the load, and how it changed. And the Ticket Detail provides every insight, every trend, the deep dive for anyone who wants the full diagnostics. Now, the Alert tabs provide the automated side of the business. They follow the same structure as tickets, giving you a parallel view of automated workflow and how it shifted throughout the year. This is where everything gets pulled into one place. The AI export tabs pull together the major patterns across the entire workbook: tickets, alerts, backlog, SLA trends, client activity, technician effort, and turns them into a narrative foundation. This is what we send to AI. From here, I can review the AI instructions, and there's even a link that takes me directly to the ChatGPT GPT that handles the analysis. Now here, I upload the export files into ChatGPT, though you can use Copilot or any other tool you prefer. And GPT asks me a few simple questions to shape the type of report I want. It starts by asking whether I want an executive version, something quick, high level, and board ready, or an operational version, the deeper diagnostic your service desk or NOC team might prefer. Both work great, you just have to pick the style that fits your audience. Next, GPT asks how I want it formatted. You can choose a professional board style layout if you want something clean and formal, or an engaging, more visual style that uses icons and bold callouts, great for QBRs and all hands meetings. And finally, GPT asks whether I want the ticket and alert analysis combined into one storyline or split into two sections for teams that want more detail. Again, just pick what fits for your audience. Once those questions are answered, GPT produces the full analysis. In the executive version, it lays out the major patterns without any fluff. You'll see exactly where demand spiked, including the late year surge in service desk tickets, and where the aging backlog signals a real risk to SLAs and renewals. It also highlights how critical alerts clustered in August through October, with completion rates holding steady despite the pressure. The bottom line is straightforward. Backlog instability is the weak link, and aging tickets point to inconsistent triage. From there, GPT outlines practical recommendations for next year's strategic plan. The time savings are real. What used to take hours and hours of manual review can now take minutes. And this data is also the foundation for the slide deck. Now, before I open PowerPoint, I run one more prompt included in the slide generation prompt text file. This prompt tells GPT to take the analysis I just produced and turn it into all the slide content for me: the slide titles, the bullet points, and even the word-for-word executive script I can read aloud. This is the step that transforms the analysis into a full presentation-ready narrative. Now I open the PowerPoint template. Every slide already has the charts embedded from Excel, and they automatically update whenever the workbook refreshes and is saved. Now all I do is paste the GPT content into each slide. the slide titles, the bullet points, the narrative script, and just like that, the entire deck comes together. You now have a full year-end presentation populated with your data, clean, consistent, and ready to present. One important note, AI gives you a strong first draft, but it's still your business. Review the data, confirm the patterns, and shape the recommendations with your own experience. That final judgment is what makes the story real. Everything, the workbook, the demo workbook, the PowerPoint template, and the AI workflow, it's all completely free. If you want the workbook package, just send the comment, "Send it," on the LinkedIn post, and I'll get it to you. Give it a try. You'll be pleasantly surprised how quickly your 2026 plan comes together. Thank you.